The Assistance League of Houston, through Operation School Bell, have partnered with HCDE Head Start since 2006, providing over 5,000 uniforms, total donation of over $300,000 to children in our program. Members of the U.S. Coast Guard teamed up with the Assistance League to package and deliver 1,200 uniforms in September 2011 to all centers. Each uniform pack included at least one uniform set, toiletries, a shoe voucher, and a book. The Assistance League of Houston have impacted many Head Start children in our program. These resources help our families financially as well as support our goals of school readiness. HCDE Head Start is blessed to be a part of this truly remarkable partnership.